Nanubabo ka balen? Gusto mo ba ng European getaway pero tight ang budget? Well, ako rin. Para sa video na to, gusto kong i-share ang na-discover kong gem sa Bamban, Tarlac na talaga namang magpapawaw sa'yo. Ito ang Goshen Resort and Hotel, PH. Think of Rome, pero no need for visa or mahal na airfare. Exciting, di ba? Nag-open lang siya last April 2017 and guess what? Ang owner ay isang hardcore traveler na super love ang Rome. Kaya naman he brought Rome to us. Spread over a 4 hectare of land is a Roman-inspired hotel and resort na talaga namang pampamilya, pangbarkada, or kahit solo flight ka. Pagpasok mo pa lang, mapapawaw ka na talaga sa grandeur ng place. May 33 rooms sila that can fit up to 200 people. Iba-iba rin ng choices like standard rooms, family rooms, and dorm type rooms kung tight ang budget mo pero gusto mo pa rin mag-enjoy. Pero guys, ito ang pinakabongga dito. Perfect siya for prenup shoots. As in every corner, picture perfect. Parang nasa Europe ka talaga with all the Roman architecture and landscapes. And speaking of photos, huwag kang mag-alala kung saan mag-OOTD dahil Goshen has 4 swimming pools, perfect for those Instagrammable moments. Now let's talk about food. Gutom ka na ba? Kasi they have 2 restaurants, isang Japanese ramen bar for ramen lovers, and syempre, Italian restaurant named Cafe Roma. Perfect after a long day of sightseeing and swimming. Open ang resort from 8 a.m. until 9 p.m. so pwede kang mag full day enjoyment or even overnight stay. At hindi lang siya pang relax, you can also hold social or corporate events dito. Imagine, your event with a Roman backdrop is surely unforgettable. So there you have it mga kabalen. Kung gusto mo ng European experience na swak sa budget, Goshen Resort and Hotel, Tarlac is the place to be.
Wait. This
What?
is my thing. 1, 2, back to my shoes.
Cheese. Like it?
Thank you, President. Thank you.
Everybody wants to.
I want that.
You want one?
The baby.